Hey everybody, it's Chris down here at Boston Harley-Davidson, bringing you a specially ugly Christmas sweater custom creation video. We got a brand new 2019 Deluxe here. It is beautiful. You know, what we do down here is fit the bike to you. So this person wanted some taller bars, so we went with the Heritage bars on this Deluxe, and it's beautiful. So we did the Heritage bars, attachment windshield, engine guard, we got Defiance grips, floorboards, we have a swing arm bag. There's a lot of chrome. The bike is really beautiful. Show off those white walls. You can see that nice LED tombstone light. We've got some S&S slip-ons on it with the Stage 1 air cleaner kit. Kept the stock cover to the high flow behind it. There's a nice engine guard with all the chrome braided lines. I'm going to start it up for you guys for a second. See if we get a good sound on that. All right, we'll see you guys soon. Have a great night.